How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 72 Plymouth Duster 340. It's got a 4-speed. Very nice, clean North Carolina car. Had a recent restoration, done in a super slick Tuxedo Black. See the original grille and headlight bezels, all very nice condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. Tell you, this car's super slick, straight down the sides. It's got the white Duster stripe down it, the 340. Just makes a tough looking car. Got all the factory rallies on it. All the panel fitment's real nice. The original tail lights, rear bumper's been re-chromed. I tell you, for black, this thing is slick, straight down the sides. It's got the numbers matched, 340 in it. It's been rebuilt. You got the paperwork and stuff on it. It's got 4-barrel. It's got your power steering. It's got air conditioning. Got the heavy-duty cooling system. We do have a hood insulator on order for it. The hood's painted real nice underneath, but I think they look nice with the hood insulator. The jams are all real nice. It's got new front and rear door panels. Original dash. It's all in good shape. Headliner looks nice. They did new rear seat cover and package shelf. It's got your factory front and rear seat belts. Front seat covers, I believe, are the original front covers. Excellent shape, no tears or anything in them. They could have been replaced at one time, but got the jack, the spare tire and everything in it. Re-chrome rear bumper. We do have a new dome light lens ordered as well. See, all the jams, everything real nice on the car. It's just a very nice little car, guys. Fires right up. Got a nice dual exhaust on and out the back with the correct tips. Tell you, these Chryslers, they have a sound of their own. Good sounding car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan, guys. Have a great day, folks.